Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about first aid in case of wounds and nosebleed. Students, in my last videos we discussed about the accidents. That are the unfortunate events that may happen anytime or anywhere. Then I told you that to avoid accidents, we should follow some safety rules. And I told you about the safety rules that we should follow on the road. Safety on the road. Safety rules that we should follow while handling fire. Safety from fire. And safety from electricity. I told you that if we follow these safety rules, then we can avoid accidents. But in spite being careful, sometimes accidents do happen. But you all should be aware, you should be aware what to do in case of an accident and when to do. You should be aware what to do and when to do. Some people who don't know about the first aid, some people who don't know about first aid, in case of accidents they get panic. So the main goal of this chapter is to educate all of you about the first aid and which first aid is given in what kind of accident. Okay, so let's start our topic. First aid. First aid is the treatment that is given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Means if there is any injury to a person, you have to give him or her some first aid. So first aid is the treatment or aid given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. And this first aid is very much important because timely first aid could prevent a victim's condition from worsening. And a very important thing that we all should keep in our mind, that always be very calm while giving first aid. Okay, so now let's discuss first aid in case of wounds. Wounds you all know. Any cuts, scratches, that are the wounds. Okay, and when you get injured. So what you have to do in case of wounds, the person who is giving the first aid to an injured person, first of all, he or she should wash hands with soap and water. Okay, then wound should be washed under running water. After washing with water, apply an antiseptic lotion or clean the wound with antiseptic lotion. And then the last one, cover the wound with a bandage or a cotton gauze. Okay, I'm repeating once again that in case of cuts, scratches or wounds, what to do? First of all, the person who is giving the first aid, he or she will wash the hands with soap and water. Okay, then wash the wound under running water. Then clean the wound with antiseptic lotion such as Dettol, Savlon, you all know about that. And then cover the wound with a bandage or a cotton gauze. But sometimes you have observed that if the wound is deep, and bleeding is there or continue bleeding is there, then what to do in that case? Then you should use a tourniquet. What is tourniquet? This is the tourniquet. Okay, and why we use tourniquet? To slow down the flow of blood. Not to stop the flow of blood, only to slow down the flow of blood so that blood cannot reach to this place. See, this is the deep wound, this is the injury and bleeding. A tourniquet is a cord that is tied tied tightly around a limb, to slow down the flow of blood. And one thing that we all should keep in our mind, that tie the tourniquet above the wound, and never on the wound, clear? But after that, don't forget to get an anti-tetanus injection from a doctor. Okay, next we will discuss about the first aid in case of nosebleed. You all know about nosebleed. Nosebleed is the dripping of blood from the nostrils. And nosebleed happen when blood vessels burst inside our nose. But don't be panic in that case also, because you can control that. What we have to do in that case, first of all, try to stay calm and relaxed. Okay, that is necessary for every first aid. That try to stay calm and relaxed. And the next point is sit up straight and lean slightly forward. Not backward. And do not lie down. Do not lie down. If you will lie down, blood will enter to the stomach through esophagus, and that may cause irritation in our stomach, and vomiting can also be there. Next step, what you have to do, pinch your nostrils, closed for a few minutes while breathing through mouth. Again, ice pack on the bridge of the nose. So I am repeating all the points once again, that in case of nosebleed, try to stay calm and relaxed, and then sit up straight and lean slightly forward. Do not lie down. Okay, and then pinch your nostrils closed for a few minutes while breathing through mouth. And the last point is place an ice pack on the bridge of the nose. I hope now you all are aware about the first aid that you can give in case of wounds and in case of nosebleed, and you all should follow these in your daily life also. Thank you and have a nice day.